Hey, this is Andrew with FatOx here at the Conley residence. I'm on the back slope that we've approved 5 shingles for replacement. You see the tree right here. I received a denial letter from the carrier on December 18th stating that the builder's code R905.2.1 sheathing does not apply in this situation because it only applies when we have approved for replacement. My first question is, replacement of what exactly? Are we talking about a replacement of a square, a full slope, a full roof? The second question is, where are you getting that from? Because the code verbatim states that asphalt shingles shall be adhered to solidly sheathed decks. Literally shingles, plural. The bare minimum, we would need 2, right? In order for the code to apply. So to apply an additional arbitrary caveat or add additional language to that code that suits the carrier's desired outcome is completely erroneous and inappropriate. So please substantiate where you're coming up with that, because it doesn't state that in the code. So, I also want to bring attention to the fact that you said, oh, we're only replacing 5 shingles. So just want to illustrate exactly how many shingles we are going to have to remove the fasteners from, because those fasteners, whatever adheres the shingles to the decking, is coming up on more than just 5 shingles, as you can see I have outlined here. So we're looking at okay, some good damage here, 2, 3, this is some good damage, 4, 5, we'll stick with 5 because we've only approved 5 shingles. But I did this before and obviously you know, it's New Year's Day, so I got it backwards, right? But when you're replacing this shingle, you're going to have to, let's say we're replacing this shingle down here, this shingle actually goes 2 layers up, right? So we break that bonding strip, and the fasteners are actually secured underneath the 2 overlapping layers, as you can see. So removing one shingle requires the removal of the fasteners on 3, sometimes 4 overlapping shingles. We'll do it in real time here just so that you guys can understand better. Okay, we'll do it with this shingle because it's a little bit further from the edge. So the shingle goes from here, see the edge? It's right over, where is the end here? We'll just highlight it here, and I believe it would be under this applique. That's one shingle right there. Okay? Now, you see we got an overlapping shingle here. We'll highlight this. Where's it end? Right here. Okay, so these fasteners are going to have to come up. What do they need to be nailed back down on? Solidly sheathed decking. Okay? 2, and then here's another overlapping shingle, and it goes to all the way over here. All right, we're only probably going to stay in this line right here, so we'll remove the fasteners from half of the shingle. Do you really want to do that and bend it diagonally? I mean, this roof is obviously non-repairable, looking at the extensive granule loss and the age of it, but that's another argument, and we can go there if you'd like to, even though it's obviously not necessary. But, and then see here, this is another shingle that overlaps. It's been cut. So we'll take those fasteners out, and we're going 2 layers up. So we got to take these fasteners out from this shingle right here. All right. And we'll just highlight that in yellow so we can see the full expanse, if you will, of fasteners that are going to need to be removed. All that we can replace is one shingle down here on the bottom. That's what that looks like. All right? Because again, when we remove those fasteners and the shingle's flapping up and we need to nail it back down after that replacement, what do those shingles need to be back on? Solidly sheathed decking, i.e. plywood or OSB. So again, please get back to me and tell me where you are coming up with this. Oh, well, the code only applies to a full replacement of what? And then hopefully with this added context of the actual surface area of shingles that need to be adhered to solidly sheathed decking to replace those 5 shingles, it will make more sense to you what actually needs to be done here. Thank you.